Hiya pawb, Jill dwi'n rhan o tîm Cylch Stori. I'm Jill, I'm part of the Story Circle team. Ar hyn o bryd, da ni'n chwilio am bobl ifanc sydd garu stori. We're looking for young people who love stories from all over Wales because we've got an online programme. And also for those who are more local to North Wales, we're running our face-to-face programme live from Venue Cymru. Meet the team, find out what we do.
I'm Claire and I help facilitate the story circles. When I became an adult and I discovered that there was lots of different people telling stories out there and that there were also activities like Story Circle for young people to get into stories, I was like, well, I wish I could have done this when I was a child.
So they had enough leather for 3 pairs of shoes this time. They stayed up and they watched 3 little elves come through the front door.
Is that the sun in the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Really lovely. It's a nice reaction to Billy's story. Thank you.
It's very small.
Is there a mouse in your parcel?
No!
That is correct. Okay. Throw it all the way over there.
That's what I do.
Should we do that? Is that okay? Okay, Sarah, go. Please do.
It's really... Oh! In a parcel! It's a nice parcel.
We established that, man. Stretching your legs, stretching your arms.
Right, I love it. So we've got a nasty witch.
I can't talk. I'm a dog. I'm a pet. Meow. What are you doing in my swamp? We had donuts, jelly beans, jelly.
Okay, right.
Hi, I'm Fionn. I'm the young storyteller of Wales, and I am one of the co-leaders of Story Circle. I joined as a member when I was 8, and in the time I was a member, I built up loads of skills like confidence, being able to speak in front of people, and I made a load of friends too. I think I'll probably keep telling stories for the rest of my life.
My name is Billy. During lockdown, I was able to tell through Zoom, and that really helped with my confidence.
Helo pawb, Fiona ydw I, a dwi'n aelod o tîm Cylch Stori. I'm one of the members of the Story Circle team. I'm Fiona, and I'm looking forward to welcoming you when Story Circle goes back online. Ymunwch â ni yn Cylch Stori ar-line dros Zoom. It'll be great to see you. Da ni'n edrych ymlaen.
Swnio'n dda chi? We want you to learn about traditional storytelling. We want you to learn about characters in storytelling. We want you to have lots of fun. So if it sounds good, ymunna â ni yn bwan. Come and join us soon. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
When the wind blows, it blows for anyone who likes Story Circle.